Although OG did say he'd chuck $50 in if we read this. Trodo Baggins wrote a QWOP fan fiction.
What? He sent me a
Yes!
Uh-oh.
Yes!
It's awesome.
All
They're
right.
not always erotic fanfiction.
It's called...
Sometimes they're just fanfictions, you know?
And now we present...
Okay, we're at 294,000. Woohoo!
Nice.
I want to say that.
And now we present...
And we're going up.
Wow.
Piss Off Seagull, a semi-erotic QWOP fanfiction by Trodo Baggins. Note, this is PG-ish. His body writhed in pent-up frustration. His muscles were tight with anticipation on the field. Just a few more inches, said Gerp, and I know it will be far enough. Gerp pushed harder with all his might, step by step, inch by tantalizing inch. He urged his legs to move. Back and forth, every inch filling Gerp's body with unending pleasure. A little more, harder, faster, dig deeper, shouted the amazed fans from the bleachers. Gerp felt the sudden urge to explode with fury, but his body would not respond to his commands. That's it, screamed the fans. Just like that. Keep going. Yes, almost there. The crowd urged him on unyieldingly. Cried out Gerp in ecstasy, willing his body to thrust ahead. He could see the finish line. Gerp felt the pressure build within him. Yes, that's it. Go, 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 chanted the audience. Gerp was mere inches away from convulsively exploding across the finish line when a wild creepy doll appeared from under Gerp's feet and swallowed his soul into the pits of Hades, forcing him to play Desert Bus for all eternity. Jorb whale dong, Gerp. Jorb very whale dong, said the masses bemused. And now creepy Fatagan dancing.
Nice.
Oh, that is some nice creepy Fatagan dancing.
Oh, I'm sorry, Trodo. You're right. Sorry. Oh, you're almost there. It just because it said cried out Gerp in ecstasy. So it's just like that. Keep going. The crowd urged him on unyieldingly.
That's you guys.
Cried out Gerp in ecstasy.
We need more QWOP fanfiction. More QWOP fan. It doesn't even have to be erotic. This is amazing.
Please just write